Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to understand one more interesting concept of C programming language is called function pointer. Yes, I called function pointer. That means we can create pointer of function also. How we can create, that you see. We have a function, I say msg, and suppose this function I create here, and here I say printf, and I display this is function pointer, like this, simple one. So I can call it like this, no problem at all. I compile this, I run it, simple way. I can declare a pointer of function, I say pmsg, like that way, and I pass the address of msg here, remember, and I call this pmsg like this way, and you see the same output. So pass the address of this function to this pointer and we call this function. This is called function pointer. We have another way also. I can create one more pointer, pmsg1, remember, and I do not pass the address of this, I pass simply the name like this. So now I can use it like that way, in a simple way, without using this pointer dereferencing. I can use like this also. You see, the same pointer, same are functional pointer. One is passing the address of a function. Then for dereferencing we have to use this star. Otherwise we pass simple function name without address here. Then without the star dereferencing, just we access this like a function name. We have a two-way like this. Can we pass parameter also? Yes, we can pass parameter also. I say int m sg. I say m means the message. So here I say int m, and I just explain here that equal to %t, and I say it is m. Okay, so when I call it here, I pass 1. When I call it from here, I pass 2. Save this, and I say /n also. Compile once again, run once again, and you see the function m1 and m2. So these value we can also pass like that way. Can we create the array of this? Yes, we can create array of this also. How we can create array? For example, I have another function. I say print msg, and here I say character pointer, I say message msg, like that way, and I just create this print message like that way, and I call pointer here the message. Then I say printf, and I display msg like %s, and I say msg to display this message. Now you see that we have this way. Now I create one more. I say void star, I say function array like this, and I created array of 2 element I pass here, remember, and this is function notation, and here I pass address of first, that like msg, and address of second is print msg. Here I pass, then I call it, I say f array pointing to one location, pointing to 0, and I'm calling with passing the m value. M is means 3, I'm passing here. Once again I call f array with one parameter, and I'm passing here, this is function array, like this way. Save this, try to compile it, undefined location, So what is undefined? We have a print msg, print, print msg, here print. Okay, we have different name, print fmsg, not this, print msg, print msg, print msg, and here is also print msg. Once again I compile, no problem. You see the magic here, and I can also do /n here. Once again I compile and run it. You see, so this first one is calling by using this one normal function pointer, then its second one is called by this way, this one 2 we are passing. Then I create the array of this and I'm passing once again this and this function here in array. First argument means on index 0 I pass this 3 m in 3, so it called this function. Then I call print message on this and I pass the value to this because it's a array, this one string array, you see. So then I have this value. So like that way we can create function pointer like this way. We can also create function array pointer also. Everything I have explained you in this example in a simple way. I explain you that it is two way to initialize this function pointer. We can call by this way also, we can call by this way also. Remember, we can create array of this also. Each and every concept is clear and complete. If you learn something new, something interesting here, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.